two, three.
Pare,
Pare,
saan
saan
sa
sa
Katip?
Katip? Hi,
Hello.
we're Breakfast Burrito and we're back after how long was the
1
hiatus?
year?
1 year.
Uh,
And because we want to do something special and so we have something to do, we decided on making a tier list
mm.
called one, two, three. Pare,
Pare, saan
saan sa
sa Katip?
Katip?
Di ba rin sa fence?
JC, what's this about?
Concept is, mula Katipunan Extension from White Plains all the way sa pagkanan mo ng Katipunan Avenue papasok ng UP.
Yeah.
So kasama yung loob ng UP, tsaka
Yeah.
loob ng Ateneo. Saan tayo kakain sa Katip?
Saan sa Katip? Plus Area 2.
Area
Yeah,
2.
Area 2. Because
So it's like a documentation of our experiences in Katip from high school or grade school pa nga eh. Grade school to college.
yeah. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's
Okay.
start. We have 36 left here. So we have
Hmm.
36 restaurants. I think we'll be able to see it. Do we start random? You start.
We can start from Katip Extension, White Plains.
Yeah. Let's do Tori Tori. Tori Tori. I love Tori Tori.
Meron tayong hindi nasama dito.
Ano?
Buttery and Co.
Ooh, never been.
Pero here I fucking hate Buttery and Co. Tang ina.
Why? It's so good. It looked
First
good.
year
It
med
looks cool.
school,
Sorry.
nag-iaya yung classmate ko.
Oh.
Tara, araw tayo sa Katip pero cafe.
Mm.
Tangina, pinili yung Buttery and Co. Nag-aral ako doon, yung uh, fish and chips nila, 700 at the time.
Jesus.
I mean, gets naman, you have to import the stuff if you want it to be authentic. Pero 700
So
eh.
it's white plates
Tapos,
vibes talaga.
the day after yung exam, wala. Bumagsak na naman ako.
Oh, not worth it.
Okay.
Okay. So I absolutely love Tori Tori. I always go there after I play Ultimate Frisbee. So
Ah,
it's an S for me. I don't know for you. Because
bring down.
bring down.
Hindi kasi,
Why?
I've only eaten there once.
Mm.
Pero kasi yung ka-level niya na price point and food is sa podium, Yaku.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun?
No.
I like Yaku better.
Mm.
Sorry.
B? B. So this is a
Ikaw.
tier list.
I'll
This
put
is a
it to,
conjoined tier list. So
I'll
this
put
is
it to A.
A? Okay. Because I think you haven't tried the best of what it has to offer.
Totoo.
Just
200
A.
lang budget ko at the time. What's area to na yun? White Plains tayo.
White
Like, as in
Plains.
nasa kotse, driving to
Okay. What's next?
area 2. Uh,
No, let's just go like that. I think be easier.
sige, sige. Okay, Just Juniors, area
S
2.
S
S,
S
S,
S.
S.
Malaysian. Oh my God. Char Kway Teow. You know they're not there anymore. They're not there. I went last time. I went 2 weeks ago. I came from a run in UP. I went there. Yeah, what the fuck is this new chicken place? They're not
Wala
there.
na, the fuck? So, wala na Just Juniors.
Wala, not there. I have not updated. I think they have a stall in Good Food, but it's relabeled. It's not just juniors
Okay.
anymore. Hindi na masungit yung mga nagbebenta
Okay.
sila. Yeah.
So, Just Juniors lore.
Just juniors itself is S.
Yeah. And the lore nung lugar na yun, alam ko dati Sir Regis pa sila.
Yeah.
Nalibutan mo yun?
Yeah, yeah.
Yung kalsada tapos
Yeah,
South
Nakasada.
Pacific.
Yeah.
And then yung story, yung chef daw dati sa Malaysia.
Mm-mm.
And that's why.
He brought it here.
Yeah.
I love Just Juniors.
Dish recommendation?
Cereal chicken.
For
Yeah.
me, the floss, whatever that was.
Flossy chicken.
Flossy chicken.
That's what it. Yeah,
ata.
that's we both love that. Tetsuo.
Yes. Wait.
Isn't it not
No.
A? I think it's
I think
A.
it's A.
I mean, the soba and then
Yeah.
the chicken's good. But that's it eh.
The price point is a bit too much for just soba and chicken.
Oo.
Noong una, cool siya kasi, what? Soba?
Is this the location pre-Regis or post-Regis? I'm thinking
Pre-Regis ako
pre-Regis,
eh. I
right?
haven't
The small
tried.
one, the bar, the long bar. So that I think
Quintessential
that is-
experience.
A. I think A. What do you think? Because I don't think it's go-to, but it's like if you crave sometimes soba.
Lagi ako na mahalan eh.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be casual
Casual dining.
fast na food.
Yeah.
Pero mahal for me. So, I think A.
A. Okay. Let's do A.
A.
A. Chubby chicken.
S.
S? I don't think so. It's just
I agree.
Wait, keep putting S everywhere.
Memories.
Ah,
Kasi Chubby Chicken, minsan pupunta sila sa
di ba 3
PLDT.
pieces ng Lady Fingers, sold ko na, tas rice. It was like 160, 180. Tas
Mm,
honey glazed, soy glazed, whatever.
yeah.
Mm.
Okay, wait. Restaurant itself, pre-renovation and post-renovation, laging amoy ipis yung malapit
Lagi
sa
wala
ano.
aircon.
Ah, wait, sorry, masama yung amoy ipis. More like aircon talaga na nakulog.
Yeah, kulog siya. Maybe like
I still like it.
A. A.
Lahat sana naiipon sa A,
A.
ah.
A.
Hindi, it's
It's
Chubby Chicken eh. Yeah, it has to be A.
A. I think it's A.
May picture pa nga ako dun eh. Do you have a picture there?
Oh no, I didn't go there often, but I'm sure you pin something there. Gino's. Gino's, I
S
think.
yan.
No. No. You don't
No,
go.
before knowing Costa. Kasi at the
Costa.
time, Gino's was the ship. It was the
I always
pizza.
get their margarita.
Yeah,
So good.
margarita. Pero rank it in terms of yung peak interaction with Gino's before the likes of Costa,
Yeah.
Amano came.
Mm. I feel like it's A.
Eh,
It's a good. It's a good pizza. Because I had Pizza Sisters recently. They're like a little
yeah,
flour
but
sister.
back then, did
Yes.
you know these places or
Mm.
were these places even there?
Yeah,
For me, institution talaga yung Gino's
I
eh.
guess. A?
Sige, mo.
A. I think it's not essay. That you need something to go over. Eh.
For me, though, the something that to go over is also ordering the pasta arrabbiata. Masarap arrabbiata nila.
So
And
A,
margarita lang talaga, plus the honey. Are you sure? A lang?
the hot honey.
Hot
Yes.
honey. Hot honey.
Hot honey. Yellow cab in Katip. Yeah, okay lang. See?
D.
It's alright. It's
I
yellow
only ate
cab.
once.
It's yellow cab. McDo in Katip. Memories, man.
I only ate there once.
What? No, you've eaten there many times.
Kasi,
You know, you're
isang,
taking post-inom, di ba? I came from
no,
Papa.
wala akong pera para mag-yellow cab noon.
No, McDo. I'm talking about McDo na.
Ah, okay, McDo na pala tayo.
Yellow cab.
McDo is S!
McDo is S.
Yun
McDo in
yung,
Katip. McDo in Katip is S.
yeah.
If you know, you know.
Here's my take. McDo, Jollibee, yung mga mainstream, the ones in Katip, sobrang, like, the quality is up there talaga. Kasi ang
Really?
daming tumadaan and then maraming opinion yung mga taong kumakain in that
Yeah.
location.
S.
Starbucks?
Starbucks. A, B, B. I haven't.
I agree with B.
I agree with B.
Pero, you would bump it up to A kasi pwede mag-yossi sa labas.
Pwede ba? Sa ilalim
Pwede.
ng bridge,
Hindi,
totoo.
as in sa tapat mismo. Sa tabi ng entrance.
Not true. The
SB,
drivers.
SB tapos YB.
I think it's still B. Because
Yeah, okay, B.
it's B. B. Okay, Shakey's. Okay, that's memories. Shakey's.
Shakey's. Maraming beses ako na libre dyan.
True. Ako rin, beses.
Ah,
There were the long tables. That
yeah.
long tables na you could just share with your org friends.
Yun yung go-to org
Oo,
thing.
org
Yeah.
thing. Doon ka kakain before something, pre-game maybe, or nagkita lang kayo.
Pero it's just, I was never a fan of Shakey's.
B. Do we
Yeah,
say the
B.
same? Okay. I think it's B. Samgip salamat.
Doon ako natuto mag-samgyup eh. I think samgyup virginity.
Samgyup and Regis, right?
No, the one sa V-Spot.
Ah, right.
As in senior high school level
Eh,
na I was wondering how the
what is
fuck
senior
does
high school level? 2019, 2019,
2018.
2019.
2018, I'm thinking, how the fuck does Fran have the money to eat samgyup salamat every week? 500 pesos yun na. Iipunin ko pa
Dude,
yung
that's
allowance
500
ko.
pesos in 2018.
Magkano na ngayon?
Crazy. 699. I think.
Ugh, not worth it anymore. Back then, pwede for
I mean,
500.
it's a good samgyeop spot even now. It's good.
No, but sometimes si Francine talaga twice a week. What the fuck?
Big back
A
Fran.
grade 12 student.
Shout out. B or C? B.
Big
B. B. Oh, okay. Bonchon in Regis. Bonchon. Hmm.
Bonchon. I think it's an S.
SY. Memories, no? And
Good
it's the
food.
go-to in Regis, eh.
Good food, tapos yung cross bridge, nandun na.
No, but why is it not A? Why is it over?
Because I have memories with Naomi there. We
Siya.
weren't dating then. Or wala pa. Like, classmates pa lang. Then I came
But,
from Barefoot, yung visit sa Pampanga, tapos I
yeah.
went there. Nandun siya. Ooh, hello.
Okay. That's
Yeah,
S tier because of a relationship, budding relationship going. Domino's, I've never tried.
I've never tried.
C.
See,
It's okay.
can't judge.
KFC. Oh, beside Regis.
Mas amoy KFC yung labas ng KFC na yun kaysa sa loob.
Especially in daanan, is tabay yung amoy ihe.
Yung mainit tapos amoy
Oh
manok.
yeah, that brings me back.
Back when the big tree was there.
Oh yeah, Mineski was still alive.
Yeah.
So A. I love that spot. KFC.
I
A.
agree.
Classic.
I
I think
agree.
it's a classic katip spot.
Yeah.
Shock Shock Eat Fresh. We're back to extension.
Shock. Wait.
Eat Fresh.
Okay.
Because their sister.
Shock laksa. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hell
Yo,
yeah.
I went recently and no one wanted to hate with me. I was so annoyed. Every there I was able to try their clay pot rice. Masarap. Masarap. Masarap.
Oh, I am quite a clay pot.
Yung have you tried Super Uncle Clay Pot?
Yeah, didn't like it.
You didn't like it? Bakit? Sobrang rice. Maraming rice eh.
There's nothing to it. It's really just that. Even if, kasi clay pot parang you're looking for a depth of flavor.
Yeah.
Wala.
Yun lang.
Wala. I had to add.
For me, there was too much rice. So, nabusog akong sobra. Kasi it was like,
Di mo naman kailangan ubusin yung rice.
okay. Anyways, ang tawag dun, I don't think it deserves the Michelin selected right now. It's
Super
Michelin
Uncle Clay Pot.
selected.
Well, the one in Pobla.
Yes.
The one I tried is GH.
At
Baka, okay. My opinion may not be accurate kasi
Well, I tried it before. It was Michelin selected. So, tell me what
Okay.
anyways, Shock Shock Eat Fresh. I think it's giving A-B vibes.
I'd say B.
B. High B.
High B.
High B.
Kasi Shock, Eat Fresh. First of all, you need a car to
Oh,
go
yeah.
there.
And
from
parking's, dice roll.
Yes.
You're not sure.
So, hindi ganun kalalim yung memories kasi high school, I wouldn't have been able to go there.
No, yeah.
And di ko siya na-discover ng freshman year. So, pandemic happened. Senior year was the time. And yun yung time din na nagre-review kami for NMAT.
Yeah. I think it's like a more of a college find rather than a high school find. But it's good. It's good. I went to the branch the OG branch sa Banawe. Sarap.
Yung mga pinos na we're not affiliated anymore.
Oh yeah, that's kind of funny. But they're like sister companies, so I don't know. Paresan beside Pop-Up. Ooh, okay.
Matic na yan, S na yan.
S na yan. Shout out. I always get from them. Yung may Mountain Dew sila sa Puke. So,
yeah. I would eat
I give it
there.
S just because it's in Katipunan, competing with all of these other restaurants. And not
Pero
because of the taste. It's
hindi naman tayo yung target market nun.
Hindi naman tayo yung target eh.
Yung
Pero
mga
parang,
galing ukay nung katabi niya. Yeah.
ako, ganun. Pero, it's good eh. Masarap
Yeah.
siya. Okay naman.
Oh.
Masama. Pero I think what makes it S is because of the proximity to the other restaurants na parang, wow, gumamahal, Katipunan yun, Ateneo. Pero nandun pa rin yun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makes sense. Tipple and Slow. Oh, Tipple and Slow.
Ikaw yung may thought.
So for context, I had my 21st birthday in Tipple, and I often crave their Katipunan fried chicken.
Fair. Ako yung
really
salmon bowl.
Although medyo kamahalan siya, 300 plus, but I think it's worth it given the portions. And it's
portions are good.
They're in pop-up pa. So you don't get a lot of good food. Tipple's like good food. I give it high A. Why? I give it a high A. What would you think? What would you say?
High A.
High A, right? It's an A for
It was the place where you would go senior year.
Yeah.
To hang out with your senior year friends who are taham na uminom.
Is Komay. To be honest, I was only able to try this because people brought it to Ateneo, to the school.
I think it's a C.
It's a C.
I ate it a lot kasi part of the training, tapos mura. Pero,
It's alright. Is it?
mura, yeah, pero kasi for that price, parang may mas masarap pa eh. O parang mas type ko kasi yung kwek-kwek.
Mm,
Yeah, pero kasi may rice but then.
C. Oh, we've got 10 minutes. That's fine.
Okay.
Rodix. Rodix.
At first, okay, when I say at first, mga 2020, it was
Pre-expansion. Pre-expansion.
pre-capitalism Rodix. That was the best.
Yeah. Sarap. Marami pa silang portions, no? Ngayon, medyo barat na
Ngayon
sila eh.
hindi na eh. Or parang,
Siyempre.
I think same pa rin naman, pero it's just, it doesn't hit the same
Oh
anymore.
yeah. It does.
Rodix, when you were in high school, sa
Wow.
Katipunan Fun Drive, that was the best. Pero ngayon,
Hindi, iba na eh.
so this goes to show, even if,
Maybe we changed also.
yeah. Pero this goes to show na even if we have like good memories attached to it, hindi not necessarily mataas yung tier niya.
True. B? Low B? Or
I'm
mid
thinking
B?
C, dude.
C?
That low, payag ka?
I guess, yeah. I think
C.
high C could be a thing.
Pero
Mang
kasi, wait lang, for me, the most Rodix experience for me, UPTC Rodix.
Oh yeah,
If UPTC Rodix lang to, that would easily be an A.
because of the aircon.
Sa labas din ako umupo eh.
Nasa labas ko. I think B then, given your taste. Because I like Rodix naman. I really
Okay.
like Rodix before. Yung lalagyan mo suka yung tapa, tapos
Sige, B.
masarap yung rice eh. It's iba eh. Para siyang bahaw na hindi. Hindi ko rin alam, pero masarap eh.
Kulang sa tubig.
Oo, kulang
Yeah.
sa tubig. Yeah.
Hindi.
B. Mid B. Mang Larry's. Isn't Mang Larry's like a um institution, but it's not necessarily good.
It was.
Mm-hmm.
It was good,
But
but it stopped being good after the pandemic.
mm,
Before the pandemic, it wasn't quite as big kasi parang over the past few years, they expanded so much in that one spot. They used to be an isawan talaga, pero they started selling other stuff. Parang isaw was still good, pero back in the day naabutan ko as in wala pang upuan eh. Talagang likod na ng
tayo ka lang
counter.
ganun.
Tayo lang. Tapos yung vinegar nila may gripo pa.
Oo.
Yeah.
Wow. Never been able to
Back
try.
then it would have been an S, but now, I mean,
Wala na rin kasi.
wala na siya. But then,
Oh no.
even before it closed, I wasn't a fan anymore.
Yeah.
B,
B.
if not a C.
I think it's a C, man.
It's a C. Okay.
Ceci Korean bar. You have high praise for this.
S.
Bar none. S bar none.
S. Kimbap. Before kimbap was a thing. Oh my God. Wait. Segue.
Go.
Do you like embutido?
No. I don't like. I'm forced to eat it if it has ketchup.
I like embutido. Wait. Di
Do you
nagagana.
like, do you
Pero,
do you like the embutido with raisins?
I don't like the raisins, but I understand why it has to be there. But I
Why?
don't eat it with it.
It's so bad.
Balance of the salt and the sweet. Tapos lagyan mo ng ketchup, it has a bit of the sour. And then you fry it, it has the fat.
Yeah.
That's all you need in flavor.
I'm not an embutido.
Okay, pitching to the audience. Wait, I can't pitch it. Just don't steal my idea. Pero imagine you're a fan of embutido. You're also a fan of kimbap. So what if yung spam or sausage na laman ng kimbap, embutido? So embutido na kimbap.
I could get with that. Okay.
I would call it kimbutibap.
Pwede. New business idea. It's like one of those bizarre creations.
Kimbutibap.
4-leg. It's
It's
alright.
fucking expensive. It's good burger.
It's alright. It's like a classic American food.
Brioche bun. I recommend it It's good burger in the area. There are better burgers. Bun Run, even if I don't think Bun Run is the best.
Yeah.
It's really not. Bun Run's better. But this is good burger kasi brioche bun. It's juicy, talagang grilled patty. Pero mahal.
Mahal siya. Because you're paying for like it being a good burger. There's like a price point where it has to be good, like Sweet X type good, you know? It's 300 plus.
I agree.
B?
Yeah,
B. Just because katip vibes.
kawawa yung yellow cup.
Okay lang. Pepper Tree. Here, you have praises for that. So I heard it's really good. We're gonna try it.
Ano yung nag-Michelin sa BGC? Brick Corner?
Brick Corner.
I think it's Red Brick? I don't fucking know.
No. What? What's the cuisine?
Indian.
Indian.
Pepper Tree is better than that. Yung may Michelin sa Michelin. Michelin.
Michelin. Why are you bougifying it?
Michelin.
Anyways, Pepper Tree. I've heard it's really good because they have really good pani puri. I've yet to try it. What did you like? What did you recommend then?
Biryani was really warm.
Mm.
Parang homey. It makes you feel warm.
Pero medyo mataas price point, no?
Mahal.
Mahal.
But you would understand kasi
Once you eat it. Yeah.
it's biryani cooked with love na matagal.
Mm. A. Or S. I think that's all on you.
A.
A. Okay. Okay, next we have El Chapo's. S.
S na yan?
S. S. Horchari, man. Horchari.
Horchata.
Horchari. Yeah. It's good. That's the best horchata I've had. It's from El Chapo.
Meron pa bang ibang lugar na may horchata?
And there's one in La Union, El Union. They make horchata.
El Chapos din yun eh.
They're affiliated, but they're not the same.
Oh.
They have different recipes.
Oh.
You call it. Pero, horchata pa lang, is na eh. Paano pa yung, their burrito, their sisig burrito is good also. Tapos yung tacos, serviceable.
Yeah.
Their sauce is good though.
Then naabutan ko pa yung panahon na they had a hot sauce collection. Tapos high school. Kasi ngayon parang
Yeah,
3
so
sauces na
Yeah,
lang.
they have 3
Pero
sauces.
noon, like boom, 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 different
Yeah.
brands.
They had sauce. They had the sauce collection. S tier, just because.
Yeah.
Oh.
B-Wings.
B-Wings. B-Wings.
Ikaw.
Mid. Super mid.
Super mid.
But there's nostalgia.
Price point is good.
It's kaya pang estudyante siya. But it's super mid.
Parang Naomi's really into it, pero I just never liked it. Like, honestly,
I'm thinking
D.
B, C, D. I'm thinking C. It's not bad.
C.
It's not good. Okay lang.
payat eh.
True. Parang bitten yung chicken. It's like they didn't put breading. Diretsong ano lang, lagyan ng sauce. Bobby Box. Ooh, so Bobby Box was an old Korean spot in Regis before. They sold good Korean food It's good.
Good.
Yeah.
Pero kasi yung, I would order the ramyun. So I was thinking na, oh, ramyun, oh, Korean. Then I realized after the 3rd time, it's just instant noodles.
It is.
Niluto lang
It
nila
is.
dun.
It's like what they serve, Ajuma served to you. Just instant.
Pero that makes sense.
B.
A for me eh.
Yeah,
Bobby Box hits different.
it does.
There used to be an Eastwood then, pero I went there last week, wala na.
Yun lang, no?
Hello, and now on to our taste test portion.
Alright.
So this is from Molly's Donuts.
Shout out
And we got
Pioneer Center.
wala, nakita lang namin siya eh. We wonder if it's good. So bumili kami.
We went to, where did we eat? We
Balik.
ate in
Oxman, no?
We ate in Oxmanox, recommended by Bradley Trice of
Sino yun?
Inasal fame. He rates Inasal on TikTok.
Wow.
We agree that number 1 is Chicken House Express. It's the best. I will bring you there soon. Anyways, here, let us show. Let's show. Tell me if it's a good shot.
To the left.
To
To
the
the
left.
left. To the left. To the left. To the left. Stop.
Oh,
Yes.
I think this is like lemon
Oh, hell yeah.
tea glaze,
Brown butter.
brown butter, and then this is like chocolate.
Choco mocha.
Oh yeah.
Oh
Oh
yeah.
yeah. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Okay. What do we try first?
Ito. Yung sa'yo. Wait, no. Brown butter. Was anything butter and brown? That's like kayumangi, bro.
Ayumangi.
Kayumangi.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Mm.
Oh my god.
Mm.
This is a real donut.
It's a good donut.
Whoa.
Mm. It's fluffy and
It's good.
handcrafted. Mm,
Wait, shit, this is a real donut.
it is.
Bouncy.
It's very dough. Doughy, but in a good way.
I say it's okay.
There's chew. I say it's okay. But I think the dough itself is
Mm.
good.
Nakakabusog.
Perfect with hot coffee.
Fuck. Or hot choco.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
Yep. Happy dough.
S tier. Wait,
8 year.
hindi tatapat to sa Chelos. Chelos pa rin for me.
Mm.
Speaking of, kasama ba yun sa...
It's not there.
No. Kasi Gino's na yun eh.
Yeah.
Oh, did you know? Chelos, Gino's, tsaka Tyler's Coffee. It's a family.
Yeah, that's one.
Yung tatay ata si...
Gino.
Oo.
Yeah, not Chichero. Isawa.
Ako ba? No. Hmm.
Yeah. The dough. It's good.
I like it.
I like it. Mm. Delicious. Are we gonna try the others?
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry, I eat fast.
Wow. Someone message.
Yeah.
Carla Elizaga. Damn, throwback. Shout out. Hello.
Shout out. Shout out, Carla.
Okay lang, guess natin yun.
Guess natin yun, ano? When was it? 2021.
We made her do a handstand. Headstand.
When? When was this?
In the podcast.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Why?
Inuuto ko lang, pero... Shout out.
Shout out, Carla. I don't think she'll ever listen to us because she's big now, eh.
Yeah.
Oh, not big. Big in she knows a lot of people sense, not enough. Yeah. Shout out, Carla.
That's good.
That's a good snack.
Mm.
I rate it 8.5. I think the glazing could be better.
Yeah.
But the donut itself, you don't normally get good donuts, eh.
Yeah.
No? Because our standard is like Dunkin'. Puro glaze lang naman. Okay lang naman.
Wow, it's so good.
Sarap, no?
Texture, bouncy, firm.
No? Nice.
Alright, back to it.
Back to the tier list. All right, we have TJ's Taco Joe's. I drank there one time in the middle of a class, day class.
Ideal day.
Ideal day. Like do a morning class siguro, kain kayo, and then get the tower. Inom kayo. Then go back to your afternoon class.
That was the night.
That's fun. I've never tasted their food though. It's just the towers. We're good.
Cool.
Hindi ko
They
na-
have tacos.
hindi ko na- Ay, natry ko lang yung alak.
Well, I tried it. And then, nung ko natutunan na I don't like tacos kasi they sold it individually.
Oh yeah.
So, now I believe if you're gonna do tacos, it has to be
By three.
three at once.
Three at once. Never one at a time.
Shout out Lagrima.
Ooh, isn't it Michelin?
I have no idea. I don't keep track.
Oh yeah, I think it is.
Good for them.
TJ's B for me. Do you think?
Right. I
B or
tasted
C?
the tacos. See?
See?
Bukas pa ba sila?
No, I think they're gone. ISO Sisig. Next one.
What is yan?
Really, some people find it alat. I think you're saying S because of nostalgia. I will order it. Haluin ko yun with egg.
Nostalgia. Tapos yun nor liquid, hingi ka.
Oh,
Kasi wala siyang lasa.
wala siyang lasa. You have to put more.
Tapos texture is a bit off. Tapos papasok ka pa.
Yeah. For
I
context,
still say it's an S.
ISO is a spot in Ateneo na medyo, it's not in the middle of the grade school, high school. So it's like you have to walk a bit. Kailangan mo talaga siya puntahan. And for that, we give it S. Kasi I think it's just a nostalgia thing.
Yeah.
It's good. When I think of, sisig, ISO sisig comes into mind. Not because
Yeah.
it's good, but because
ISO
it's
sisig.
ISO sisig. It's good.
So nostalgia got an S. But remember, we have wait, ano yung kanina? Saan natin nilagay yung Rodix? Ah, B.
B.
See, the nostalgia of Rodix is amazing, pero B.
Mm. Mm.
ISO sisig is ISO sisig.
Okay, Aldar's Shawarma. If you know, you know.
S.
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 Every time I think whenever I go to area 2, I think about getting takeout of one just to bring home. Just
Di
to
ba buy one take one din yun?
Yeah, at one time they were buy one take one. This is an area 2 classic. It's the one with yung maliit, tas dilaw yung walls,
Yeah.
tas
Kasi dilaw yung kanin.
dilaw yung kanin. Pero sobrang alam mong mid pero masarap eh.
Yes. So, varsity days after training, wala pa akong pera.
Yun, 75.
I would buy that kasi
75.
may fiber. Maraming kamatis.
Ayaw.
So, the fiber stuff.
Maraming kamatis, sibuyas.
Nakukuha ko.
Yung sauce. Yung sauce. Sir, spicy? Yes. Ganun, ganun. No? Oof, sarap.
Yeah.
S. Shout out nostalgia. Shout out nostalgia.
Sutra S.
S. What's your order? What's your sutra order?
Yung crispy. I actually don't
The
know.
crispy chicken with the
Crispy butter
sauce.
chicken.
With the sauce.
Oh, with the sauce.
Yeah.
Hindi ko lang gusto yung sambusa nila. Pero it's Indian sambusa eh. Iba kasi yung kilala ko eh.
S. Yes.
Yeah, but yeah.
Yeah, it's sutra.
So the trick for me back then, may sutra pa rin ba ngayon?
Wala na. Yeah, I don't think it's there. Guns is different. I think Guns is like
Just a moment.
it's a shell of yeah, sorry. Sutra fan. Sutra added you on Facebook. Yeah. If you were truly Atenean, they've added you on Facebook.
So yung key sa sutra, malaking ngiti, papogi ka, and then go there, pag patapos na yung araw, 4 p.m.
Oo, gago, ibigay marami
So,
sauce.
doon nila nilalagay na lahat kasi
Oo,
inuubos na
paubos
nila.
na.
Yeah.
Masarap kasi sauce eh.
Yeah.
Brick Fire. This is above
Shake.
no, it's above that 7-Eleven
Oh, na merong shake.
and the Stars.
Stars.
Yeah.
Star shake. Shake stars.
The steak was okay.
Never liked it.
It's right.
So many memories with my sister kasi paborito niya.
Ah, really?
For the ball, the steak.
Ah, yeah. It's for the steak.
Pero yung brick fire na yun, I think Katipunan din. But we tried sa Marcos, I don't know. It's okay, fine. Probably a C.
C. I think C. It's right. Maybe high C.
Ababu.
Ababu.
Para ang
I
sarap.
want to know your memories of Ababu.
Rowing team. That was after the photo yearbook shoot. We all went there, and then on the way, it was a fun ride. Yeah, I was with my buddy Dylan, and then
Shout out Dylan.
ayun.
What do you think? Because I remember when I think of Ababu, I think of the steel table.
Oh yeah.
And then the free iced tea you get when you get
Tsaka
the
mabigat yung steel table eh.
Oo, mabigat
Hindi
yun.
nangangalaw.
Maingay yun, gago.
Yeah.
Tapos open air siya. Pero hindi siya mainit, no?
Yeah.
Hindi siya mainit eh. Or maybe we're just there pag gabi na. Pero hindi siya mainit.
It's definitely more expensive than Aldar's, diba?
Oo, it's like 100 pesos more. I think their shawarma rice is 185.
Oh shit, we forgot one resto here. Hassan.
We'll put it Hassan steak. That's fine. We'll do it later. But for Ababu, I think A.
Yeah.
A. I think it's a good spot wherever it is now. Because it's not there now apparently. So sad. Their shawarma rice is good. Ang gusto ko kasi, binibigay nila yung sauce. Ikaw yung bahala daw nun, whatever. Next one. I think this was medyo 2023, 2022. It was, they sold, I remember they sold nachos and then, tofu sisig. It was good. It was good. It was good.
Interesting.
I'd say it's an for me. Low A, high B tier. Yeah. I forgot the name. I feel like you guys would know the name, but it's the Singapore. I'm not sure if it's Singaporean, but it's beside Robinson's, in between Shakey's and McDo. Anyways, JC, while JC's eating, oh yeah, what is that? What's the flavor? Can you show the camera? Mm.
Choco, mocha, like dark chocolate and coffee.
How's the ano? How's the chew?
Still the same.
Still the same.
But I think it's the type of donut na mauumay ka.
I
One is good,
One is good.
but I like it.
Man's hungry. Yeah, yeah. I think Molly's. I'll go back specifically for the bacon donuts. They have a bacon donut that my friend Bianca like told us before we should try.
Also, you ever heard of this place?
I heard of it after we ordered. I was like, oh, ito pala yun, yung bacon jam donut. Apparently it's the best. And we didn't order it. We ordered other things. It will
I
come
just saw
back.
it. Yeah, I just saw the place.
Yeah, same. So like fun fact, kasi we were in Pioneer Center kanina. Oxmonox was good. Pero I used to live near there and I'd run past it the whole time. And there's this whole suite of food na parang I missed out. What the fuck? Because I'd run around Unilab and Greenfield. So I missed.
Alfresco pa. I love
Oh,
Alfresco.
yeah. Like it's the perfect spot to go after badminton, pickle. After a run even.
Alfresco.
Alfresco, man. There's an alfresco culture here in Metro Manila, you know? No, it's the post activity hangout spot eh. You like Berus or Hassan, 'di ba? You know? Like those spots, you're gonna have people na parang kakapalit lang. Tapos tara, kain tayo. Kasi I feel like it would be so weird to cut the activity short, not without hanging out just a bit.
Mm.
And the way to hang out is to eat. That's cool. Anyways, next we have Sweet Inspiration. The Mongolian rice was mid.
What? It's good.
It's mid.
It's made kasi di mo alam yung timpla.
Oh, hindi ko alam ito.
Kailangan marunong magtimpla. And I had my own recipe. Oh my God, it's a mess.
A.
Kasi may customer technical expertise na kailangan.
Yeah. A just because you like. But I think there's nostalgia. It's the only one of the spots na matagal na. Talagang it's a katip institution at this point na. Sweet Inspi. Okay,
Ayun.
the Jollibee. A?
S.
S? Yeah, I've had lots of memories there.
Only two Jollibees in the Philippines with the highest quality of it all. Number one, Jollibee Katipunan.
Yeah.
Number two, or in the tie position, ito, dito sa baba. Kasi Jollibee, kasi right behind my condo building is Jollibee Tower, as in the headquarters of Jollibee. So, if the Jollibee that's like 100 steps away from the lobby
It's shit.
is shit,
Yeah.
edi, tanga na,
What's the point of this?
like the Jollibee there, amazing. Pero kasi, natalo ng McDo in terms of the chicken size.
Oh yeah, McDonald's had big chicken size lately.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Right.
No, but the Jollibee there, maganda talaga eh. Pati ako kahit bago, parang maayos naman siya. Roku.
Good parking.
Oh yeah, good parking. Roku. I think this was the spot before there was a travel agency in Regis. They sold okay Japanese.
Parang, okay, sorry, medyo lifestyle inflation. Pero kasi for me now, Japanese food that's decent and okay price tier is Uma.
Oh yeah.
Pero mahal na kasi ang Uma.
Mahal ang Uma.
Pero
But
for
kasi
me,
you have to get the platter eh. So mahal na kagad, di ba? Do you get the hanger steak pa? Or no?
No.
Yung platter, di ba? Yun ang non-negotiable. Kuha ng platter.
People's Choice ba yan?
What's that?
roll?
Noodles?
Hindi, yung sa sushi ng Uma.
Oh,
People's
people's,
Choice ba yan?
the 12 na platter. Yeah.
Yeah, but then if it's sushi kasi, ibang level talaga yung pricing eh. So for me, Uma is even entry level. Or
Really?
like super mid level.
Mid-level siya.
Hindi, medyo entry level ng Uma for me.
Look at this guy.
No, kasi you have Yugen and Ginza. Right, anyway.
Never been, sorry.
Roku is below Uma, but it's still kind of expensive.
True. It's
But it was
ayat,
good.
but it's ayat.
Oh, pero
Ayat.
namahalan talaga ako dun dati.
B, C, high B, low C,
B.
B. It's aight. It was good naman. It wasn't bad, but it was
Memories.
good memories. Shout out.
Shout out to my friend Justin Luz. It
Shout
was
out.
freshman year of college. Kumain kami doon. Tapos he's just like, JC, how much will you pay me to eat the wasabi? Sabi ko, no eh, I won't pay you. Hirapan ka na.
Kinain lang.
We were looking at him. And he just is like,
Wow.
sabay
Lumig pa.
ng tubig.
Ooh, have you tried freshly grated wasabi?
Yes. Sa K, BGC.
Sarap, no? Sarap. Hindi siya yung pakla na insulting. It's fragrant.
Yeah.
I was able to try in Yabu kasi this, they have a parang special offer na to the katsu's like special from Japan. Tapos they pair it with, ano, freshly grated wasabi. My dad didn't like it, so I got it. Yung half diretso sa tonkatsu, tapos yung half sa tonkatsu sauce.
Parang siyang,
Sarap.
wait, do I have it right? Dijon mustard?
Yeah,
Parang ganun yung flavor.
Yeah.
Pero less sweet.
there's more happening.
Yeah, more umami than Dijon mustard.
Yeah. It's not insult. It's not like bam, you know. It's not like the fake wasabi na. It's,
Fake wasabi is like straight to your nose.
oh yeah, oh yeah.
Ito, iikot mo
Oh, ikot muna.
Okay.
Ipaparamdam muna sa everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Meron pa kasi like white radish ata, pero I don't know.
Oh, that's for. I think they top it with the tofu and dashi in radish.
Ano, like French cuisine na ata or European. Na same
Vibe.
profile. Horseradish, yes.
Horseradish.
Yun. Okay.
Shut up. Yoshimitsu. Oh my god. Oh god. We had the buffet there. I think the only time we went
Yeah.
there. It was so.
You would think na they thought it's a nice location kasi may view of Katip. Pero kung Samgyup ka, tapos Katip,
Tas ang liit ng spot mo.
tapos sasakay pa ako ng elevator para lang pumunta sa mausok na lugar. Is it still open?
Yeah.
Oh.
Still have people outside. Sir, tara kain tayo. Like,
Oh.
I'm sorry. It's not good. It's just like run of the mill shit, whatever. That's it. Look at that.
Wait,
Alright.
Hassan, kaysa added na nina.
Can I? Let's see. Vote for the poll. Nope, I can't.
I can't. So Hassan is S tier for sure.
Why?
It's the all-time favorite of Naomi's family.
Okay.
Talagang favorite ng dad niya. Randomly
Where's
mag-
San in Katip?
Katip extension.
What's your order?
I've only eaten there like thrice. Mahal kasi. Mahal. Pero masarap. And then, pero Naomi's family talagang institution for them.
Well, how would you compare it? Have you tried Beirut?
Yeah.
Was it the
Hassan's
same
better.
level?
Hassan's better.
Why?
Pero I think Hassan is pricier than Beirut.
Shit, really? Okay.
I think.
I think they're both the same. Because it's like 300, 380 for a kebab plus rice. Okay na rin.
Okay.
Anyways, recap. Here are our tier list.
What do you mean?
Let us know if you have more in store or put the comment for like your comments regarding our tier list.
Yes. So this is the end of our episode. 3, 2, 1. Pare,
saan sa Katip? Wait, we have to eat the last thing. Let's do a bite. Let's do a bite. Yeah. Sorry, I touched yours. Cheers. Say bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye. It's glazed from Krispy Kreme, but bouncy, but with fragrance.
It's a tea glaze, but I don't taste the tea. I just taste the sugar.
Oh,
Do you? It's orange glaze.
sugar, more sugar.
Yeah.
The tea is like smell lang na umiikot.
Baka may spoon lang ako.
Yep, would recommend.
It's good.
This one versus Lola Nenas. Of course, Lola Nenas. Duh.
You get the cheese filling or the empty donut? Yung donut lang.
Triple cheese.
Triple cheese? Naumay ako dun. Gusto ko yung donut lang.
Yeah. Triple cheese at ko sa gitna. I
Mm.
think with the classic na cheese donut.
Oh, that's the move. Or hindi ka masyadong umay.
And then you, ano pa raw eh, the Naomi does microwave pa.
Really?
Para yung sugar magtutunaw. So it's like stringy.
You know what? I still miss your pistachio spread. You have?
So there.
It's really expensive because
Pero
people
baka
are
itim
trying.
na.
Huh?
Itim na ata.
People are trying to make Dubai chocolate the
Filling.
mm.
Is this still part of the podcast?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh, okay. So rolling.
Mm.
Mm, mm, mm.
Mm, mm, mm. Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Subuhay, guys. Subuhay. Yeah, bye-bye.